Hey y'all, it's Gary from Fitz Preacher Farm. Long time no see. I've been in a little process of changing some things around. There used to be a Seinfeld episode where George talked about his worlds colliding. Well, my worlds have been colliding. My YouTube channel, my preacher's office, and I've added to that some eBay selling and reselling, and all those worlds have begun to collide, and things were getting out of whack. So what I did is this is my storeroom off my garage in my house, and I want to make this my gun room, my storage room for some of my eBay stuff, and a place where I can work on my guns and things like that. So the mess behind me that you see, disregard that, because we're in the process of cleaning all that up. But I came across a deal, and some stereo equipment, and some VCRs, and some things like that, some vintage stereo equipment, and I've got some stuff that I want to show you today, some old technology that most people have probably never seen. Now, my age, I was there when it came out, but I think it's pretty interesting, so I want to show you what we got. So let's show you. Here is part of a lot that I bought from a guy, and you can see there's stereos, there's amplifiers, there's more stereos, there's a vintage Pioneer receiver that I'm going to do some work on, I think, and I got a guy that's going to do some work, some electronic work. But this is what I want to show you today. This is something right here that came out before VCR, or before CDs came out. And what this is called, is you can see that it's called a laser disc player. And I didn't have any laser discs laying around, so I ordered one. And I thought, if I'm going to order a laser disc, I need to order my favorite movie. So I did. I ordered this. I gave a few bucks for it online. And folks, this is what a laser disc looks like. Don't know if you've ever seen, there's people that's never seen these before. But I'm going to show you how this technology works. This was long around the time that VCRs came out. And this is like a 78 record, but it's laser embedded, and this movie is actually on this. So I'm going to kind of show you how this thing works, and because there are people out there that's never seen anything like this. So let me get this loaded, and we'll show you how it works. All right, it hooks up to a TV. You can see how it hooks up. We're going to open this little dude up. Put our CD in, or laser disc. It's not actually a CD, it's not a compact disc, it's a big disc. And we're going to let that load. We got our TV going, and we're going to hit play. And we're going to see what happens. Well, if you can hear it or not, it's spinning in there. But here it goes. Sometime today. channel. There we go.
And I don't know.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock.
I'm going to turn that down because I don't want any copyright problems with YouTube. But there you can see the laser disc plays just like the compact disc, and actually does a pretty good job. That's an old TV that was in part of the package deal that I bought. I didn't give anything for any of it, hardly. And I used that TV to test some of these things that I got. But I thought I'd share that with you. And I thought you'd be interested in it. There goes Toad. He's going to crash. And this is my... Whoop! There he goes. This is my favorite movie of all right here. And I hate to get rid of this disc, but I'm going to sell this thing, and I'm going to let the disc go with it. But I do have a CD. In fact, I do have. If you don't think I'm a American Graffiti nut, there it is on CD. So, my favorite movie. But anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Thought it'd be interesting to you. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Like this, if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up down there. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.